Top of the morning, people. Woo! What an adventure with this old Pro Junior 2005, if I'm not mistaken. Is it? Let's take a peek. Yeah, it's 2005. So, wow. So the buyer purchased this from a guy who just thrashed this thing. I mean, look, he's on a bit of a budget. So I couldn't do everything I wanted to do, but look at that. That's actually a guitar jack. And it doesn't have a switching ground lug on it. So if you have it warming up without a cable in it, you're gonna hear it. But this thing works again. And it was just covered with dust and filth. The ribbon cables were just terrible looking. And I did get lucky that this thing was very easy to disassemble, and I didn't break any of these leads inside of the cable. So I did a recap, changed the phase inverter, coupling caps, cooled down the bias by quite a bit. Just some other general maintenance, really. Rebundled the wires, so it's very quiet now. And probably most importantly, I reinforced the solder joints on the tube PCB. These things always fail. So we have some nice little shiny solder blobs there. They're gonna treat the new owner well. And yeah, God bless them running this thing without a rear panel. It's gonna be a party in the back, you know, whipping this power cord around and all the other stuff that may get thrown back there. This is some sensitive stuff. This little tube retainer here is just, man, you really have to cover these up from the rear, because this is so easy to push and then break your pins or break the tubes or damage the PCB there. But these things, you know, they run 1,000,000 miles, and it just gnarly sound. Sort of the same thing that you come to like from the classic 20 circuit, the PV stuff. You find it here as well, and that's just driving a shit out of these EL84s. It's lots of barky mids, greasy, just juicy compression, fun amps, you know. Get one used for like, you know, $100. You know, get it serviced. It'll last forever. Just throw it around. It doesn't care. Just watch these tubes back there, and you'll have a good time. So I hope this one finds you well, Randy. I'll be moving on to your crazy little Supro, and you guys take care.